Okay, so here I am, like I'm out of my house, just walking towards any site. That's the best part here. You can go any side, just turn, but you know, better remember the way or know how to use the maps, which was a task for us, like when we came here. Okay, yeah, so update is the reason that you see me making these videos alone is that Sam and Shalom are in India and I am in Germany doing my masters. And this is the reason you would have seen so much of disruption in the content, like we are not that regular and all that stuff, because I moved here in mid-Feb when Sam and Shalom came to drop me. And though that's the series that you see when we are uploading those Berlin vlogs and stuff, but we are not that regular because we were obviously not a bit, we were too upset, though this was an informed decision. But I hope you can understand the frustration, because if you have been watching us or following us since long, you would know that how close we were as a family and all that stuff. So it was a bit too much for us. Now I can say that I don't know, but yeah. And last 1 month I was in India again. I went to meet them because though it had been only 1 month that we were away, but it was looking like it's been years, And Shalom was also a bit cranky. She wanted to meet, so I had summer break and I went there to meet them. But unfortunately I could not make videos that time because we actually wanted to spend time together. And then in the last 2 weeks, like, though the plan was to be there for 3 weeks and stuff, but then things happened, and yeah, we all caught COVID and I had to extend my trip. Though we consider this blessing in disguise only, because one day Shalom was saying, when we were like kind of fine and we were in the recovery mode, she was like, actually it's good only that we had COVID and you could extend your stay. I was like, yeah, I'm sure you can understand the feelings. Even when we are sick, we were happy that at least we are together. Yeah, so this is the reason you are seeing a lot of delay in the videos and all that stuff. And the last 2-3 videos that you see of Berlin are when I was there with them in India, and we could work at least. Now I hope that Sam will be able to continue this work and will share his our trip to Berlin that we had last with you all. And yeah, what else? Okay, yes. So in case any of you know anything about family reunion visa, or how we can be together in Germany, please do let me know in the comment section below. Else I would request you guys to keep us in your prayers, and just pray that we be together again. That's all I can request you. And another thing is that this summer vacation also they are planning to come, and so that we can spend at least that 1 month together. But after 2-3 weeks of submission, we've got a mail from the embassy saying that they need some documents to process the application, and we have submitted the same though. And they also mentioned that it can take up to 30 days, but we are not, like, we do not even have 30 days in hand. Forget about booking the tickets so late and stuff. Today is what? It's already 7th of May, and we had plans to, like, they had plans to be here in the last week of May. So yeah, please do pray that they get the visa before that, or maybe in the coming week itself, so that they can book tickets and stuff, and we can meet this May also. And I hope that we will be at least in a better position to make videos and show you stuff and all, all this. Okay, so this H sign that you see here, this means this is a bus stop. And the best part is you will see bus stops here every few hundred meters. So the transport system is quite nice here. Like, you have buses, you have trams, you have S-Bahns, U-Bahns, which is like trains basically. Some are underground trains, and I think S is underground. I won't say that now, because even I am not sure what is, like, though I take S1 U-Bahns, but if you say which one is on like underground train and which one is on the ground, I am really not sure, so I won't comment on that. Yeah, so what else? You guys can let me know in the comment section below, like, since I am in Germany now, what kind of videos you would like me to make. Like the videos of the tourist places, and life in Germany kind videos, or videos related to the visas, the visa process, the application and all that stuff. So do let me know in the comment section below, or anything else that you can think of, and basis your comments we will decide what should we do next. Now obviously for some time you will see us creating separate videos, and that's, I know, I just pray that this separation ends soon and we are together. But yeah, we'll need your prayers is what I would say. Okay, so from here, where do I go? Do I go this side or do I go this side? Let's go this side. Okay. And yeah, how do you find Berlin? Though where I am right now, like, I'm showing you the what do I say? This is not the city side. If you want to see, I will show you, though, the Potsdamer Platz and all that stuff that you would have seen in other videos. That's the Berlin city. And right now I am in a residential area, just walking towards, I don't know, any site. So if you can spot someone there, I see someone running already. And the best part I've seen is there is no time. Like, you can't say that, okay, I'll go for morning walk only or evening walk only. Yesterday, like, I went at about 8:15 or so. I left for a walk in the night. And if you would have seen that video, yesterday's live one, you would notice that the sun was still, the day was quite bright. For me now, Sam was saying that it wasn't that the video quality is not that great because it was getting dark here. So I'm not sure, but for me, it was still daylight. And yeah. And the other day, I saw someone running. You know what time? It would have been about 12 or 1 p.m. In Germany. So there is really no time when it comes to doing walk or exercise and stuff. It's basically whenever you have time or whenever you feel like going, just go. And thankfully I'm walking in a t-shirt. Since the time I've come here, I am already in, always in jackets and stuff. I was like, will I ever be able to walk in t-shirt here? But thankfully I am walking in t-shirt now. Though I do see people, wearing jackets or something on top, because you never know when the weather changes here. And this sunny day can give you chills again if you're not wearing proper clothing. So for another few days, I guess, we need to be cautious with full sleeve and all that stuff. But after that, hopefully, I have heard that, the temperature can go up to 30, 32, but it doesn't get that hot here. And you know what? If it gets that hot, like, even if I need a fan or something, I do not have a fan in my room. All we have is the heating unit. When it comes to, something cool, all you have is your window. And yeah, your window also opens, like, there are two ways you can open it. One is, I'll show you once. Maybe I'll give you my room tour. Where are we? I really do not know. But wherever we are, it's okay. Another H sign, which means another bus stop. I think I'm a bit far from that H sign for you to see, though I can see from my bare eyes, but camera is camera. Now let me just cross this side and I will... Okay, let's keep walking, because you know what? I do not have even the proper equipments, I would say, to create and edit videos and stuff, because the Mac Pro is in India with Sam, and I don't even have the hard drive to transfer my videos and all that stuff. So most probably you'll see uncut videos wherever I create them. Though I do have plans to, buy that GoPro. But let's just wait and, just earn something first, because it's been so many months we are spending and spending only. I haven't got a job here yet. Where do we go? Yeah, let's go this side. I think this is a railway station. I came from this side once. And I can recall this is a bus station, I guess. Sorry, not bus station, railway station. Let's go. It might look, I think they are working or something, but from here, if you see, it looks nice to me. Do let me know, how do you find this place? Or would you like to come for a walk like this? Or to a city side? I'm not sure if you can see the train that is there. We have a train station, not station, but way, path. Okay, so on my right hand side, we have trees and trees and trees. I've noticed one thing here, that I don't know if it's only in Berlin or whole Germany or other countries as well, that they have maintained the balance between modernization and nature. So you see the modern city, you see the infrastructure, but you will also see nature. You are so close to nature. And I feel we have destroyed, sadly we have destroyed nature in our country, and to become modern or to develop infrastructure, we have destroyed our trees and stuff. So that's why the life is becoming difficult by the days or years or months that are coming, because it is like, I was there. Obviously I have seen and experienced this before as well. The heat is becoming unbearable by the day. So dry the weather is and all that stuff. So I think I'm going the wrong way. No, not sure. Let's go this side. Yeah, this side is the station I was talking about. Though you might find this place like a bit deserted, you don't see many people and all that stuff, but trust me, it is safe, and you don't feel scared at all. You are like comfortable walking. So this is the best part. I have seen my railway station. Now I need to remember the way back home. No worries, I have map though. And we can explore something ahead as well. But let me show you the railway station I was talking about. So now I am on that flyover or crossover bridge is what I would say. And this is the railway track. And this is the lift. You can take either a lift or staircase. If you would have noticed that auntie came from the staircase because people prefer stairs in walking here. So this is the staircase, and this is the place where I wanted to come. Like, yeah, I wanted to, memorize the way so that I can come walking here when I have time and stuff. So this is it. I guess let's finish the video here today, and I will try and explore some more places, and if it is like, I'll show it to you. You also let me know if you would like to see more such places and videos where I'm just walking around places and you can come along. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you are still with us, thank you so much. Please do subscribe in case you have not done it yet. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.